going on, everybody? This old Tombstone coming at you. Today is a special day for me because I decided to go into the YouTube, industry, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Today's video is going to be off of a 6.4 Powerstroke Straight pipe, son. And we're going to do an exhaust. We're going to kick it off big. So after we get done with all this, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Oh, and by the way, while I'm swinging over here, go ahead and pick you up some of this. Hey, it's good shit, man. Seasonal. Better hurry. Alright, we're going to get this kicked off. It's time to crank her up! That's my buddy Leroy in the background. But let me tell you something, okay? That's the introduction, that's the kickoff. We're gonna get this thing booming. So let me know what you think. You better like and you better subscribe because we gotta get this thing up.